Now, with this amazing software that you've just seen, you can actually use it to make at least $1,000 a month. And that's really being conservative here. And I'm going to explain why. There are thousands of people out there looking for somebody to create their ebooks and the reports for them. Really. So what you can do with Scribble is sell ebooks, reports and guide creation services to clients. There are thousands of people out there looking for someone right now, believe me, because I've submitted jobs myself to hire other people to do it for myself. So I know this. Now, what could you charge is the next question that you might be asking yourself. Well, how much can you actually realistically make by creating ebooks and reports, guides and white papers for other people? I'm talking about like $75 easy. Seriously, $75 is like the lowest. We're talking lowballing here is what you could charge just for getting a few pages done by designing it for someone, writing the ebook for them. I found jobs where you can actually for $350, right? $350 you could charge someone to create ebooks for them. Even $1,000 per ebook. I'm going to give you a few screenshots that I found as well, and these are realistic numbers here. I'm not exaggerating. You can work part-time in your spare hours, and nobody has to know that you can actually use Scribble as your secret weapon to do this. I'm really being serious here. You can actually use Scribble as your secret weapon to bank $1,000 a month minimum. Now another plus point is with Scribble, you're also going to get a commercial license as a bonus for free. Now, when most people actually launch, you'll see them charge like another $50 on top, or even $100, $200, $300, just to charge to get a developer type of or agency or a commercial license with their product. That's what I see most people doing when they launch their software. But this comes as a bonus for free. Now, this is a huge plus. This is worth at least $500, believe me, and it's not even an annual fee at this point. Now, I don't know if they're going to increase the price later, but right now, it comes with a free commercial license. And plus, you're also going to get an agency website that's also included. And the thing with the agency website, it includes a portfolio of ebooks. So you can actually show potential clients and say, look, here's my website. All you have to do is upload it. Here's my website. Look at my portfolio. And that's really going to help you land really high quality clients that pay you more compared to someone who doesn't have a website or, with a portfolio. So it also comes with an amazing portfolio. So this is really a great shortcut. And this website is worth at least $997. To get a professional website done, that's how much you're looking at today, in today's day and age. Here are some screenshots that I found online. That's on the left-hand side is a screenshot from Upwork. When I done a quick little search here, just on the keyword there, ebooks, I found 173 jobs that you can actually apply for. 173 jobs. There's loads of jobs always coming and going. Someone here on the right-hand side is put up a bid of looking to spend $120 with their budget, estimated $120 to look for someone to edit their ebook for them. On the bottom left, that person there is looking for somebody to design and lay out their ebook, and they've got a budget of $1,000. That's $1,000, and I found lots of prices in between as well. But you can go check out. There are sites like Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, and many sites where you can find clients from. In fact, they actually include great training inside the product as well to show you how to do this. So my verdict is I actually give Scribble 4.7 out of 5. It's absolutely incredible. It's a great software. It's my number one choice for ebook creation software. When you want to get ebooks done, reports done, white papers, all the rest of it, it's absolutely incredible. The creator's known for releasing high quality products, so you're going to be in great hands. It's great customer service. It includes a free commercial license worth $497. It includes a free agency website with a portfolio worth $997. So I really recommend that this software it's a great tool. I've purchased lots of software myself, and in most times software usually just ends up on your hard drive and you never use it and never do anything with it. But this is something that you're going to use constantly. Now, there are additional power-ups available when you get Scribble, and we know that by now, if you've seen a lot of launches happening, there are always upgrades available after you actually make the purchase. Now, they're not necessary, but I highly recommend that you get these. I'm just going to quickly walk through some of them. The first one is Scribble Professional, and it's got way more features in there. It's got way more templates in there. Actually, they save the best templates for Scribble Professional. You're going to get a lot more than the front end basic version, and there's a lot more power behind it. So that's a no-brainer. That's what you have to upgrade to that. Scribble Prime is an exclusive niche template club with limited design range inside, and you're going to get new templates in your library every single month. A lot of these will be based on your requests, so members of Scribble Prime will be able to request certain designs, and they will actually go in and create these for you. Now, I recommend actually subscribing to Scribble Prime because it's going to allow you to have designs and templates that nobody else has. Because I know just from experience, that not a lot of people actually go for an upgrade like this, because there is a small monthly fee to it. We're talking about tiny, but it's going to allow you to stand out from your competitors, because while everybody else has got the same designs inside of their Scribble dashboard in their library, you actually want to have an edge over everybody else, and that's going to give you a lot of unique limited designs that not other users will have. So I do recommend spending the few extra bucks to subscribe to Scribble Prime. It's absolutely incredible, and the fact that you can actually request designs, it's like having a designer work for you and pump your Scribble software every single month, just making it more powerful as time goes on. Highly recommend that you actually do get Scribble Prime. There's Scribble Fantasia, which is incredible, really is. They're using new animated 3D technology to turn your ebooks into interactive ebooks. In fact, there's dual power-ups inside of Scribble Fantasia. It also allows you to create beautiful 3D covers, as well as amazing animated technology that's going to animate your ebooks and make them more interactive. Imagine being able to click inside of your ebook and view media, click on links, see pages turn. Really recommend that as well, because I think that's where the market's headed. That's where the future's headed. Interactive ebooks. So you actually do want to move forward and not just have the traditional type of ebooks, but create interactive ones. Now, they've got Auto Job Finder, which is a lifesaver. Only grab this one if you're looking to use Scribble to make money with. If you want to make money selling services to clients, then you have to get Auto Job Finder. It's actually automatic, and it's going to go online and find you posts and jobs where people are looking to have someone like you create ebooks, reports, and the guides for them. Right? This is going to save you so much time, because if you do it the other way around, you have to go online yourself, manually look for jobs across different types of sites and platforms. There are so many different sites and platforms built into Auto Job Finder, like Freelancer, Behance, 99 Designs. A lot of the main sites that people use to go and post jobs to get done, they've actually integrated it into one dashboard, and it's automatically going to find you any type of job, not just ebook jobs, but you could actually type in graphics. If you're looking for someone to create, if you're good at making banners for people, you could type in banners, or write content for people, or customer service, or even Facebook ad service, or whatever kind of things skill that you have. You can use Auto Job Finder to actually find clients to bid on their posts. So that was a really unique creative tool. So I recommend that if you're looking to use Scribble to make money with. I highly recommend it. Right now they've got a limited time offer, so what you need to do straight away is go ahead and click on the link below or around the video somewhere, wherever the link is, to get Scribble right now at the special discounted launch price. I know that it is going up shortly, and they will be moving to a recurring model, meaning they're looking to charge monthly for it. And quite frankly, I'm quite shocked that they're not charging a recurring fee for this, because this is something that you will use time and time again. As an entrepreneur, small business owner, as a marketer online, someone who's trying to make money, or as a company looking to become an author, publish this, create books and all types of books, content, you need to have software like Scribble in your corner. Okay, so before it goes and they start charging, more money, whether it's going to be a one-off. I know this is worth at least $200 at least, and they're actually quite mad for not doing that. So go ahead, click on the link right now, and go and grab your copy of Scribble right now at a special discounted launch price. You're actually gonna really, really love this.